Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Edu Smart. Today I'm back with another off-campus opportunity for 2020 as well as 2021 year of pass out. So the company is Global Step and this is something special for students apart from CSC or IT because you can work in software industry and basically this is a software industry but the role is testing and so you are not expected to have too much coding skills and it is really very much minimum. So you will be working as a video game tester, so that is the role is test engineer and you will be working basically on video games like so let us see the job description, the role and all. So the work location is in Pune and the CTC is 3 LPA, that is 3 lakhs per annum, and the eligibility criteria is BE or BTech, MCA or MTech. You must be passionate about video games. If you are passionate about video games, this is really a right fit for you. And you are not, there is no criteria for like either 60% or 65% throughout, but you are expected to have at least 60% or 50%. And the level of experience is fresher or experienced up to 1 year. So the key skills are someone who is good at not programming, who is good at video games. So if you have something like if you are passionate about it, you are definitely eligible. And you are also expected to have some kind of analytical skills. Looking for excellent verbal and communication skills is a must. Experience of playing video games on the below platforms, not all, but at least some. So you are expected to have an experience of playing video games on either on your PC or on your Android phones or PlayStation or all this, if you adventurous games or all. If you have some experience on playing these games, you are also good to have, apply for this role. So willing to work in night shifts, excellent skill like spoken skills and writing skills, different video games. And the training period is about, you can see after the candidate is shortlisted, he or she would undergo a thorough training of video game testing over a period of 2 weeks. The training would include theoretical as well as practical as buddy up and OJT. The candidate should clear the clarification certification test during this period. The training period would be unpaid. So 2 weeks of training period will be there, and it is you will not be getting any stipend during these 2 weeks, and you must clear the certification test after the 2 weeks. Only then you will be taken for the full-time employment. So selection procedure is online test followed by technical interview and then HR discussion. You can check out the important guidelines. Online test and time will be updated to the registered candidates. So you have to register in order to get the test link. And after testing, shortlisted candidates must be available for a further online interview process. So after the test, first round, that is online test, you need to be available for the interview. Post the interview, uh, you will be taken as an immediate joining. Okay, you have to be ready for immediate joining. And if you're interested for this company, I have provided the link in the description. The first link will take you onto this blog, and here if you click this apply now button, it will redirect you onto this page where you can see the same details, but you can also check out how to apply here. So click provide your email ID, click verify email, provide your full name, your contact number, your graduation, college, and year of passing, and on which platform do you play games, like whether it is PC or Android or whatever. Do you own a gaming console? If yes, you can say yes, and most of the people may not, or some may have. Okay, since how long are you playing games? If you know how long have you been playing games, you can also fill it. How many hours do you play games every day? And which game genres do you play? You can choose multiple answers. These are multiple choice options. You can click anything. And how many games do you have in your collections? How many games you are basically playing? How many games you have completed? Have you completed 100%? Like how many levels have you been completed? You can say that. Mention any 5 favorite games that you have completed from your collection. What do you like the most in these games? You can answer right. Do you replay the games you completed 100% with higher difficulty? Do you need walkthrough or guides or help to complete a game? Do you follow news related to game industry? Have you written a guide? These are basic questions that everybody can answer, and you can also answer them. Give a short gameplay description about a latest AAA game you played from your collection. Basically, if you are from gaming industry, if you like games and if you are passionate about it, you can definitely answer these questions. But be sure that you write in a very good English so that that will be impressive. Though you have knowledge, how you express is important, right? So I recommend you to write in a very good and efficient manner. That should be So nice to read at least. So what do you understand by the role of a game tester? Why do you want to become a game tester? So here what the main thing is. So if they like these answers, they definitely use the test link. So why do you want to be a game tester? You can write something like this. Right from my childhood, I've been playing games on my mobile phone as well as on PlayStations or anything like. I used to play games like that. You have to mention some things that make them believe that you have passionate about it. You are passionate about it, rather than answering just like a casual interview question. Feel into the question and write something that shows your interest towards the games. Right, you can start from your childhood, how you played it, and how you used to participate in online game competitions, etc. So there are some gaming competitions as well. If you have participated, you can also mention here, and that is all about this. You can also say what do you understand by game tester. So basically game tester is someone who tests the games. Like once you have created a game, and there should be some testers for any software, there will be tester. So even for games, and if you have developed some games, there should be some tester, right? You can write something about a game tester, and they have not clearly mentioned what game tester according to this company does, but you can basically mention the role of a tester, and that is pertaining to gaming industry. So if you are developing some software and if you work on it, if you test on it, that is basically a software tester. But if you are developing some games, and if the one person is working on trying to find the bugs in it, etc., he is called a game tester. So that is what a game tester is. You can write about him, and you can also mention why do you wanted to become such a game tester if you are interested. So that is all about this. This also comes into the software industry role, and the role is easy, but there is so no much experience on coding, etc. So you can also share it with your friends from all branches. There is no restriction on engineering branches for this company, and it is something that best fits for mechanical engineers, civil engineers, and even for mining engineers or from EEE or ECE. Even CSC students can also apply who are not interested in coding and developer roles. So that is all about this video. If you like this video, do let me know in the comment section below. Also share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.